Hello, this is Opinion Radar. As a mom always on the hunt for activities that can keep my kids creatively engaged without turning our home into a disaster zone, I get super excited when I find something that promises to be a true ally. I'm here today to share my thoughts on the ARTPAR Air Dry Clay Kit, a crafting set that has been making waves in our household. We're talking about a kit that costs around $24 and claims to offer a non-messy, high-quality creative outlet. Before I dive into our experience, I want to set the scene. This isn't just about another toy. It's about finding tools that foster imagination and make family time both fun and manageable. So, let's get into why this particular kit caught my eye and how it has woven itself into our daily life. Okay, first things first, if you've ever fought with your kids over messy, sticky craft dough that gets everywhere, you need to meet this magic clay. We call it Mom's Little Helper in our house. I was so pleasantly surprised when I opened up the ARTPAR kit. The clay is beautifully soft, not sticky at all, and honestly, it doesn't have that weird chemical smell some modeling clays have. My youngest, who's 4, can actually work with it without getting everything gummed up, which is a small miracle. It's sturdy enough for her little hands to shape, but still forgiving. The colors are incredibly vibrant. They look just like little pieces of candy or bright fruit slices right out of the package. What really sealed the deal for me was that everything comes individually wrapped, so the colors don't bleed together and storage is a total breeze. We just pop them back in their little compartments when we're done. The versatility of this kit has been its biggest win for us. It's not just a sit at the kitchen table craft. We've taken it to restaurants, on long car rides, and to play dates. And it's a total lifesaver for keeping little hands busy and creative minds engaged. I love that it's promoting their fine motor skills without them even realizing it. They're just having fun. My 2 older kids, who are 7 and 9, love following the included picture tutorials to make the cute little fruits. It gives them a wonderful sense of accomplishment. But honestly, they have just as much fun freeforming their own creations. They've spent hours running a bake shop, making clay donuts and cupcakes to sell to each other. It sparks so much imaginative play, which is something I don't always get from other structured craft kits. I also want to talk about the value because, let's be honest, we're all watching our budgets. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, absolutely. One kit provides a huge amount of clay. I was shocked at how far it stretches. We've made dozens of little figures and still have plenty left. Compared to the big name brand modeling compound you find in stores, this feels like a premium product for a much better price. A friend of mine actually used these as non-candy Halloween treats for her child's class party, and she said the parents and teachers were thrilled with the creative, functional gift. I think it's a brilliant idea for birthday party favor bags, classroom rewards, or even a small gift for a play date. It's something kids will actually use and enjoy, rather than another piece of plastic that gets tossed aside. Of course, nothing is perfect, so let's talk about the couple of things to keep in mind. First, the drying time. It's air dry clay, so you do need to plan ahead a little bit. The creations take several hours to harden completely, so you need a safe space to let them sit undisturbed. The payoff is great. Once dry, they are surprisingly sturdy and hold their shape well, but you can't play with the finished piece immediately. Secondly, while the kit comes with 12 pieces, making it perfect for a single child or a small group, if you're planning for a larger event like a big birthday party or a full classroom, you might need to buy more than one box. It's something to factor into your planning. That said, the quality is so consistent that I wouldn't hesitate to buy multiple kits when I see them on sale. From a practical cleanup perspective, this product gets a gold star from me. As a mom, I dread crafts that leave a lasting impression on my table. This clay is so easy to clean up. If a little piece falls on the floor, it doesn't stain the carpet. Any crumbs or scraps just sweep right up. Since it's non-toxic and not sticky, I don't have to worry about it getting into clothes or hair. We use a simple plastic placemat as our crafting zone, And when we're done, we just roll everything back into its container. It makes the whole experience from setup to finish so stress-free, which honestly makes me more likely to say yes when the kids ask for a craft project. In the end, my favorite thing about the ARTPAR Air Dry Clay kit isn't just the product itself, it's the memories we're making with it. It's the quiet, focused afternoons where we're all creating together. It's the proud look on my 4 year old's face when she shows me her perfect clay banana. It's hearing the kids negotiate in their pretend shop. It's a tool for creativity, fine motor development, and family connection that doesn't involve a screen. If you're looking for a high quality, engaging, and mess managed craft that will keep your kids occupied for hours and leave you with adorable keepsakes, I can't recommend this enough. It's become a staple in our craft cupboard, and I know we'll be reaching for it again and again. If you're ready to shape some wonderful memories with your little ones, please give this review a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more mom tested craft ideas. It would mean the world to our creative family channel. Happy crafting, everyone!